How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thanks for asking. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm also great. Thank you for asking me. And okay, ma'am. And this is our first meeting. May I know about yourself?
Yes, sure. Thank you giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Kalpana. I'm from UP. And if I talk about my qualification, I have done my Master of Art in English Literature from Bareilly
Hmm.
College, Bareilly, and B.Ed.
Okay.
Yeah, and I am a mother of one kid. And my interest is in singing, dancing, listening music, reading books, which is related in English. And at this time, learning this language is my hobby. So that's all about me.
Superb, superb. Good to hear about you. And yeah, I want to introduce myself to you. And I am Indra from Tamil
Yes.
Nadu. And if you talk about my education qualification, I have completed diploma teacher education and BA English as well as B.Ed. I'm a homemaker and I don't have children. And my hobby is reading book. That's all about me. And also, since my childhood, I have been passionating, I have been passionating this language. I'm interested to learn this language. That's all about me.
Yes, same here.
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah,
am
yeah.
also passionate about this language since my childhood.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Everybody, 10 year or 15 years before, this much facilities was not available. 10 years
Yes.
before platforms, this
That time,
platform.
that time
Hmm.
I was not means aware about this language, but now I think this is a very important language to communicate others.
Yeah, yeah. And also it's very easy nowadays.
Yes,
It's
yes,
very easy to connect with people.
yeah,
We can connect with people. Now you're staying at home and I'm staying at my house. I'm staying at my home. We both are connecting by the use of
yes,
technology. By using this technology, we both are connected. So anything
yes.
is possible.
Any all over the world
Yeah,
with
all over
anyone.
the world. Yeah,
Yes,
wherever they are, we can connect with them.
yes.
Yeah. So, yeah, ma'am. Tell me, and when did you start your? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. When did you start your channel?
Yes, I have started YouTube channel during the COVID time. COVID during the COVID
Okay.
time. I have uploaded videos for 10 after 10 to 15 or say 10 videos. I think not 10. So nearly 5 or 6 videos. After that, I stopped uploading because nobody motivated me. Due to that lack of motivation, I stopped uploading and okay, I was demotivated. I decided okay, and let it give let us give up this. Okay, I gave up. After that, when I started to connect with people, now I'm again restarted. I
Okay. Yeah,
restarted.
that's a good thing.
Yeah. Now
Yeah.
I started and I am uploading.
Everyone when when we feel demotivated, then uh, we think like
Yeah, that inferiority complex and also okay, am I capable to upload this video? Am I eligible person? So we hesitated, and also we have some inferiority complex with comparing with others. When we compare with others, we are just uploading video, but we don't get that much subscribers. We don't get that much views. So why should we upload? But after seeing many people, we get easily motivated. Wow, she can do and she can do, why can't I do? I'll upload. Okay.
yes.
Yeah.
And
So
yeah, it's okay if we do not get good means more subscriber and views, but in this way we can learn this language easily.
yes.
with practice we can learn this language easily. So that's why I'm doing, and I could not get more subscriber.
Okay, it doesn't matter. You know what? More subscriber, number of views, it doesn't matter. Our,
Yes,
main
it,
motto is, I want this language, I want to improve my communication skill. That is my intention. So
yes,
whenever I am uploading video, so I get satisfaction. Wow, this is my own video. And this is the proof. This is the proof for I can talk. I can talk with someone. So this is the proof
yes.
for I can talk with someone. So
Whenever,
okay,
yeah, whenever we are able to speak in English fluently, that time everyone watch our video.
yes,
Yeah, and I talked to one lady, and
okay,
she didn't want to see her face.
okay. I think
Yeah, but
she's a Muslim
her
girl.
desire to learn this language is amazing, and
Oh,
she texted me for a conversation, and then I
okay,
talked with her, and I
okay.
feel very good. That type of desire, everyone should have that type of desire. If we
Yes,
learn
exactly,
any kind of work,
exactly. The
yes,
people, love to connect with us.
yes,
That is a success. That is success. You
yes,
know, people want to talk with you means they want to connect with you means you are, that is your success.
yes.
Yeah, because
When anyone text me for conversation, then I feel very good. And when I get comment, then I feel very good. And this thing,
exactly. When we get appreciation from others, really
yes,
we feel motivated.
yeah.
Yeah,
But sometimes I feel demotivated. But when I think I'm learning this language and I should do more work, more hard work about to learn this language. That time I feel good. At least I'm
okay,
speaking.
okay. You know what? Um, you know, as a homemaker, you get a very less time, right? You get very
Yes,
less time. Okay, so whenever we are free, at the time only we can connect with other people. Okay, but we are we are the responsible person to our family. Simultaneously, we are doing something for we are doing something for improving ourselves. This is a big deal.
yes. I want to build up my confidence, and I
Exactly,
want to prove myself.
exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I will do any kind to learn any kind of work. So that's why I'm
yeah.
doing this.
That is our ambition. That is our goal. That is our ambition.
Yes.
Yeah, one day I'll speak like a fluent speaker. One day I'll
If
speak
we
like this.
if we spend our time for gossiping and other
No use.
other means nonsense things, it is better way to prove ourselves
Yeah,
and
it's
to
waste
learn.
of time. Yeah,
Yes.
waste of time. Talking gossip
Yes.
rumors and also unnecessary things. It's a waste of time. In a productive way.
Yes, we are utilizing our time.
Yes, exactly. Exactly. I agree. I agree with you wholeheartedly.
Yes. Okay. So
How did you connect with people? You connected with people. How?
for conversation.
Ah,
Okay. Yeah. When I texted.
Okay.
Many people,
Okay.
many words. Yeah, yes. And when I make conversation with with Mansi ma'am, so many people connected with me
Hmm.
and they texted me for conversation. And in this way,
Okay. How difficult it was in the beginning? How difficult it was?
in the beginning, I have to face problem because I could not get more people for conversation.
Okay. And then
Yes, yes.
after that, did you talk with, do you usually talk with everyone? Do you usually talk every day?
Yes, when I get time, then I talk with means daily.
Okay. Okay. Other than this application, do you
But
use?
then I could not make conversation with anyone.
Okay. Hmm.
Otherwise, I do.
Okay. And yeah, how do you find yourself nowadays?
Nowadays, I feel confident and
Okay.
happy.
Okay.
I'm very happy when I speak with someone in English. Then I feel very happy. But sometimes I get stuck. That time I feel very
Okay.
bad.
It's happened. It's usually happen to everyone.